So first the batter for the onion rings. Cold water goes in. Next, club soda. I'm going to be using some yeast, and that'll give the batter a fantastic lift. Now whisk. Now gradually add in your flour bit by bit. And that's what you want. Nice. And a touch of turmeric just to give it some colour. Now put that little beauty in a warm place for about 30 minutes, just to let the yeast ferment. And with the onion rings, try and get a large one, like that. And with the onion rings, you want to cook pretty thick. And then just push them through. Like that. Look, can you see that? There's bubbles forming, and the yeast is doing its magic. They're actually popping. And that's what you want. In a pan, add vegetable oil. Add flour to a plate and coat the onions. When the oil reaches 350, you're good to go. Add your onion rings to the batter and cook in batches. When cooked, add salt. Look at them beauties. So crispy, gorgeous. Look at that beauty, it looks absolutely fantastic. Beautiful steak, crispy onion rings, horseradish cream sauce. What more do you want? So let's tuck in, let's have one of these onion rings.